Concrete Fundamental Part 24. Fine and Coarse Aggregates. Question: what is aggregate? Answer: aggregate is granular material, such as sand, gravel, crushed stone, crushed hydraulic cement concrete, or air-cooled iron blast furnace slag, used with hydraulic cement to produce either concrete or mortar. It is divided into two groups by size, as coarse aggregate material retained on the 4.75 mm No. for sieve, and fine aggregate material passing the 4.75 mm No. for sieve, ASTM 2:1R. Question: what are the important requirements in storing and handling aggregate to obtain uniformity in the concrete from batch to batch? Answer: faulty or excessive handling and improper storage of processed aggregate may result in one or all three principal problems that may affect the properties of concrete mixtures. The first is segregation, which destroys the grading uniformity. The second is contamination or inadvertent inclusion of deleterious material. A third problem is the maintenance of uniform and stable moisture content in the aggregates, as batched ASTM 304R, ASTM 2:1R. A practical method of reducing segregation to a minimum in coarse aggregate is to separate the material into several size fractions and batch these fractions separately, as the range of sizes in each fraction is decreased and the number of size separations is increased. Segregation is further reduced. Coarse aggregate is produced in a number of nominal maximum sizes, as outlined in ASTM C 33. Fine aggregate is also covered in ASTM C 33. Fine aggregate is generally damp and therefore rarely segregates in handling and batching. Question: why is combined aggregate grading used? Answer: combined fine and coarse aggregates grading is specified to ensure that a satisfactory amount of aggregate with a minimum amount of void spaces is obtained. This will enable the use of a minimum amount of paste, water and cementitious material in concrete, improving the dimensional stability and the durability.